This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear all app cache and data on this device. So first step is to launch settings. From here, find and enter the apps category. Then you'll have the list of all the installed apps, so find the app that you're interested in, open its app info page. Then over here, tap at the storage section, and at the storage page you can just clear cache by tapping at the clear cache option, or if you would like to remove all app/user data that this app stores, you will need to go for the manage storage option and tap at the clear all data button. So that would be it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.